Many forests have gaps that are the result of tree harvesting or a natural disturbance such as wind throw or intertree competition. Until now, conventional aerial or satellite images can only record gaps up to and LT 100 m2, which are too small for conventional monitoring. However, with the development of unmanned aerial vehicles, such small gaps can be recorded with very high-resolution images. Here, we used an unmanned aerial vehicle and very high-resolution images to record the gaps in 10 temperate-managed and unmanaged forests in 2 regions of Germany. All gap images were then cropped for 1 hectare study plots. The spatially explicit statistics of gap distances showed randomness or aggregation, depending on the gap size. In some gaps, the pattern may be explained by natural variability in gap size or by repeated gap-creating disturbances.
This article is titled, Using Unmanned Aerial Vehicles, UAV, to Quantify Spatial Gap Patterns in Forests, and was authored by Stephan Getzin, Robert Nuske, and Kerstin Wiegand.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.